Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best potatoes au gratin is probably one of the most decadent and comforting side dishes you can whip up in your kitchen, featuring thinly sliced potatoes layered with rich, creamy sauces and topped with a golden, bubbly crust of cheese. It's a classic for a reason, offering a symphony of textures and flavors that elevate any meal from ordinary to extraordinary, making it a crowd pleaser that's surprisingly simple to prepare for both weeknight dinners and special occasions alike. Number 5. Home Beets 4PC, Oval Au Gratin Baking Dishes Set. Introducing our 4-piece set of oval baking dishes. Perfect for everything from au gratin potatoes to personal pot pies, these dishes are designed for your culinary adventures. Crafted from high-quality ceramic with a sophisticated matte black finish, these dishes are as beautiful as they are functional. They're oven and microwave safe, plus chip and flake resistant. Enjoy a superior cooking experience with our non-stick surface. Food releases easily, ensuring better taste and quality. They are also heat resistant for safe and efficient baking. Designed with convenient carry handles, serving your delicious creations is a breeze. Safely transport them from the oven to the table with ease. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set of individual baking dishes makes an ideal housewarming, holiday, or Christmas present for anyone who loves to cook and bake. Each dish measures 8x5 and holds 16 ounces, perfect for single servings or small appetizers. Enjoy delicious, perfectly portioned meals every time. What we like? This set offers versatility for various dishes, from au gratin potatoes to personal pot pies. Its durable matte black ceramic is both oven and microwave safe, ensuring easy cooking and reheating. If you're looking for individual serving dishes that are stylish and functional for everyday use or entertaining, this set is a great choice. What people say? They seem to cook evenly, as I've not noticed any undercooked portions. They do work well in both the oven and the microwave, and they clean up easy. Cleanup is a snap, which I highly value, and the dishes are pretty robust for their size. Number 4. Idahoan Au Gratin and Scalloped Potatoes Combo Pack. Experience the classic comfort of Idahoan Au Gratin and Scalloped Potatoes. Made with 100% real Idaho potatoes, these are a delicious and easy meal solution. We use only the finest 100% real Idaho potatoes for an authentic, home-style taste. You can trust the quality and flavor in every bite. Enjoy a wholesome meal that's also gluten-free. These casseroles are perfect for those with dietary sensitivities, without compromising on taste. Bring the taste of home-style cooking to your table with these easy-to-prepare casseroles. They're the perfect side dish for any occasion. This convenient combo pack includes 6 boxes, each with 5 servings. It's a great value and ensures you always have a delicious meal on hand. Whip up a satisfying meal in minutes. These potatoes are incredibly easy to make and always a crowd pleaser for the whole family. What we like? Enjoy the authentic taste of home-style casserole potatoes made with 100% real Idaho potatoes. This combo pack ensures you always have a convenient side dish ready for any meal. If you need a quick, delicious, and gluten-free potato side that appeals to everyone, this is the perfect option for your pantry. What people say? Instead of milk, I used half and half and added a bit of extra butter, and the potatoes were a big hit. Excellent quick and easy side to any meal. I use the stove top method, 1 pan, and the potatoes turn out soft and good to eat. Baked or stovetop, easy to make. Number 3. Idahoan Au Gratin Homestyle Casserole Potato Slices. Introducing Idahoan Au Gratin Homestyle Casserole Potato Slices. A classic comfort food made easy for your family. Enjoy the rich, creamy flavor of au gratin potatoes without the hassle. Perfect for any mealtime. These tender potato slices are seasoned to perfection, delivering that authentic home-style taste you love. Simply add water, milk, and butter, then bake for a delicious side dish in minutes. It's that easy. This convenient pack of 4 ensures you always have a satisfying side dish ready to go. Great value for your family. Experience the comforting taste of tradition with every bite. Idahoan brings you quality and flavor. What we like? Experience the simple goodness of au gratin potatoes with these convenient 4 ounces packs. Made with real potato slices, they offer a satisfying side dish in a perfect single-serving size. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to prepare a classic potato side for 1 or 2 people, these are ideal. What people say. Perfect size for 2 people. I've also used for soup, works great. Idahoan is a trusted brand in my kitchen. Number 2. Betty Crocker Au Gratin Potatoes. Introducing Betty Crocker Au Gratin Potatoes, a delicious and easy-to-prepare side dish. Made with real cheese for an authentic taste. Each serving is crafted with real cheese, ensuring a rich and creamy flavor. It's the perfect complement to any meal. This convenient pack includes 6 boxes, so you'll always have a tasty side dish ready. Enjoy the classic flavor anytime. Preparing this dish is a breeze. Simply follow the instructions for a warm, cheesy side in minutes. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a special gathering, these potatoes are always a crowd pleaser. They add a touch of comfort to your table. Experience the satisfying taste of real cheese in every bite. It's a simple way to elevate your meal. What we like. These au gratin potatoes are crafted with real cheese for a rich and creamy flavor. They offer a super quick and easy way to get a delicious side dish on the table. If you need a fast, crowd-pleasing potato side for family dinners or gatherings, this pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The directions are so easy and live that they also give you different cook times for different oven temps, good to know when you are cooking other things like a roast. Another thing I love about these scalloped potatoes is how versatile they are. One family and guest favorite is when I dice up leftover ham, toss it in the prepared box ingredients before putting in oven. Au gratin potatoes are a basic for cooking, and these are the easiest and possibly the best available. It is nice to have these on hand for last-minute preparation. Number 1. Betty Crocker Au Gratin Potatoes. Enjoy the classic taste of Betty Crocker Au Gratin potatoes. Made with real cheese for a rich and creamy flavor. We use only real cheese to create a delicious and satisfying side dish. It's the perfect addition to any meal. Whip up a comforting meal in minutes. Simply follow the easy instructions for a perfect result every time. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a special gathering, this dish is sure to please. It's a crowd pleaser that everyone will love. Get a convenient pack of 6, so you'll always have this delicious side dish on hand. Stock up and save. What we like. Enjoy a more generous portion of au gratin potatoes made with real cheese. This larger size is perfect for ensuring everyone gets enough of this cheesy, comforting side. If you're serving a family or guests and want a satisfying, flavorful potato dish that's incredibly easy to prepare, this larger pack is the way to go. What people say. Great for a side dish or as a quick snack. The regular size is for 2 to 3 people. This will serve 4 or more depending on how hungry everyone is. There's lots of ways to dress this side dish up with onions, bell peppers and seasonings. You can add bacon, ham, spam, pork chops, a crooked politician, just use your imagination. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.